So I actually wanted to bring in a viewer question. It's from Charlotte Tarver from Canada, actually. She says and asks, what do you believe will happen in Afghanistan in the next month?
Well, I mean, the worst, and I predicted this, as you know, all summer, based upon my intelligence community assessments, that it would fall. And I think the nightmare is unfolding before our very eyes. I think in the next month, the best we can do is get as many people out of there right now, out of that airport as we possibly can. Then we will evacuate from the airport. The Taliban will own and rule the country. They will have their own style of governance. Sharia law will blanket the country. And Mariana, the people I fear the most, in addition to our partners who will be executed at the hands of the Taliban, the population I fear for the most are the women and the girls. I mean, we've already had the Taliban go to, the imams asking for girls between the age of 14 to 45 to be handed over to be married to Taliban warlords, some as young as 12 years old. They will be under a dark shadow of Sharia law. They won't have any rights. They treat women like property. They will not be able to have the right to be educated. They will not serve in public office. They will have to have the full burka covering. They will be essentially enslaved by the Taliban. And many of these women have never experienced Taliban rule because it's been 20 years. But now the clock has gone backwards, and the human rights violations are going to be extraordinary. I hope the international community can stand up to this. But when you have China and Russia on the United Nations having votes to make decisions about the fate of the Taliban in Afghanistan, I think the only vital answers we have left, as the Pentagon has told me now, is ISIS and Al Qaeda in the homeland.